So the Armada NISMO debuted and everybody's all upset. Here's why I think people are upset, and here's why you shouldn't be. So when the Armada NISMO debuted yesterday, I was excited, which you all can assume because at this point you all know that I love Nissan. But what I wasn't prepared for was the massive amounts of backlash on all the Facebook groups, Instagram, TikTok, and even some articles that I read online. Some of the comments are saying that Nissan doesn't know what they're doing, no one asked for this. Some of the other comments were, why didn't you put a GTR drivetrain in it, and all these other things. What do you want Nissan to do? Nissan is giving us a big body, big power, big bold body kit SUV, and everybody's angry at it, and I just don't get it. If Nissan had come out and said, hey, here's a 600 horsepower, GTR powered Armada, and it's 130 grand, everybody would have been upset and said, hey, why are you doing this? No one asked for this. We just want a GTR, blah, blah, blah. So they come out with what they come out with, and everybody's like, well, why didn't you put a GTR drivetrain in it? Okay. The Armada NISMO isn't new. It's been sold in the Middle East for a while, and, Nissan does cool stuff, and the Armada NISMO is kind of like that unique vehicle that Nissan used to build. I mean, think about the 2-year-only Altima SER. That was a very small production, limited car. Who asked for it? I'm not sure anybody did, but, it's like this little cult classic now, So to have a NISMO Armada, what else in that category competes with it? I mean, you could think about the Escalade V, but that's $150,000, and that isn't a direct competitor, right? So I don't understand why they're getting so much hate over it. I'm trying to figure out what Nissan could do that would make everybody happy. Yes, bring back the Xterra, fantastic, but that's one model. Everybody complains about every single thing that Nissan does, but yet all the people complaining don't run the company, and most of them don't work for the company. So, as a car enthusiast, I think it's cool. Do I think that Nissan needs other enthusiast-based vehicles? 110% I do. But when they're going to come out with an Armada NISMO and sell it in the US for the first time and everybody's upset, why? What do you want them to come out with? Like, what could Nissan do that would make everybody super happy? I can already hear the comments. No more CVTs. Well, did you know that we've dropped the CVT in some of our vehicles, and the 9-speed automatic has made its way through the portfolio of Nissan vehicles? Do you guys want hybrids? Do you guys want, in my opinion, I think there should be an Elantra end competitor with the Sentra. I think that there should be a couple other versions of SUVs that we don't have right now that could be coming that might help the brand. I think that there should be a manual transmission in certain cars. But what I want you guys to do in the comments below is let me know what you want Nissan to do. Because I think the Armada NISMO is cool. It's 460 horsepower, 516 foot-pounds of torque. It's got red seats. It's got red accents. It's got 22-inch wheels. It's got a wild body kit. And it's super special. And I can tell you, you're never going to see one on the road. Not because they're too expensive and it's an Armada NISMO, but because they're going to be super limited. And I can't wait to get one day and just roll around town with my big old gaudy body kit and just show off the fact that I could have bought the typical family SUV, but here I am with an Armada NISMO. I want everybody to cut Nissan a little slack because you know what? It's cool. If the Sequoia came out with a GR Sequoia, the world would lose their mind. Look at the GR RAV4. The world lost their mind. Who asked for those vehicles? Does Toyota get a pass because they're Toyota and Nissan just gets, what they get because they're Nissan? I don't get it. So, enough of my opinion. Y'all tell me yours. What should Nissan do? Make sure you like and subscribe. And in the comments, what do you want to see Nissan do? Tell me. Tell us. Let's do it. Let's have this conversation. All right? Cut Nissan some slack.